Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. NOCO Lithium NLP14, Group 14, 500A LiFePO for motorcycle battery. Introducing NOCO Lithium, it's better than lead acid in almost every way. No sulfation. Requires no activation, no acid, no maintenance, and no water needed. And it comes fully charged and ready to install. Resistance, 1 ohms. Insane performance, delivers over 500 amps of starting power, over 50,000 starts, and over 2,000 charge cycles, blowing away its lead acid rivals. Simply put, it's 2x more power, 10x more starts, and 5x longer life. Dynamic BMS, an advanced battery management system that provides maximum safety protection with bidirectional active cell balancing for long-lasting reliability. Plus, no BMS reset is needed. Number 2. Weize Platinum AGM Battery BCI Group 48-12V70RH6 size 48 Automotive battery. With a 70 Ah capacity and 760 cold cranking amps, or CCA. Provides reliable performance and long service life, up to 2 times the cycle life of conventional batteries. If your car's original battery is an AGM type, you must continue using an AGM battery, as your car will not accept a downgrade to a flooded battery. Nominal voltage, 12 V. Charging voltage, 14.4-15.0 V. Acceptable charging current, 0-21 A. Operating temperature range, -22° F-158° F. Terminal, tapered terminal, or left, negative, right, positive, or plus. Dimensions, 6.89 inches by 10.94 inches by 7.48 inches. Number 3. Lippels 12V100 LiFePO for battery, built-in 100A BMS, maximum. The Lippels 12V100 LiFePO for battery uses upgraded cells, which have excellent quality and a higher energy density of 4,000 to 15,000 cycles, greatly enhancing the battery's endurance. Compared with traditional lead-acid batteries, the Lippels 12V100 battery can bring you more outstanding enjoyment. The LiPuls 12V100 lithium battery can be used in various types of RVs, bringing many conveniences to your RV journey. Due to its small footprint and lightweight, it is also the perfect choice for trolling motor, camping, off-grid systems, and solar-to-home systems. Number 4. Weize L12V7 a lithium battery, built-in BMS. Weize L12V LiFePO for battery is made of automobile standard LiFePO for cell, which has higher energy density, more stable performance and higher power. Widely used, fish detectors, generators, radio wheelchairs, scooters, electric bicycles, ice fishing flashes, kayak lighting, solar panels, electric motorcycles, display lighting, LED lights, tennis tees, motors and many other places. Extended portable, there are for lithium cells in the battery, each of which is only 150 G, so the total weight of the battery is only 0.6 kilograms, which is very light, only 1 ppm of its weight, using lead-acid battery, which is easy to move and install. Number 5. Markson Group 48H6L3 start and stop car battery. Vehicle battery is a 12V70 AGM, a maintenance-free battery. Dimensions, 10.95 inches x 6.89 inches x 7.48 inches. Weight, 46.53 pounds. 48 AGM battery can be used for cars with start-stop function, which can save you 10% of gas costs in each driving and reduce 20% CO. Our battery charging time is 40% faster than SLA battery. This stems from new materials are used on battery to improve the battery charging acceptance. And the discharge capacity is raised to the highest.